Why need BMW M2 with spacers? If you replace a set of aftermarket wheels and tires with the wrong offsets, or a set of larger calipers with insufficient wheel clearance, wheel spacers are the easiest and most effective way to help solve these problems. And if you want to get your wheels flush to the fender with stock wheels, spacers can also achieve this effect. Usually, the thickness required for the rear wheels will be thicker than the front wheels. Wheel spacer can help create extra wheel track weight that are fitted between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel to increase space. The safety of wheel spacer largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. If you need 10mm to 20mm wheel spacers, BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacers are perfect for you. They are hollowed for an extra lightweight plus advantage. The hollow hole is a proven design that is effectively reducing weight. The average weight of each BONOSS Forged Lightweight Plus wheel spacer is more than 30% lighter than the previous generation product. Adding such a small, lightweight components most noticeably reduce fuel consumption. They also don't hurt the wheel bearings. Take a look at the difference before and after installing the wheel spacers. The wheel sits flush with the fenders after the installation, giving the BMW M2 a more aggressive and sporty appearance. One of the most noticeable effects of BMW M2 spacers is the improvements in handling. By widening the track, wheel spacer reduce body roll and increase the stability, allowing for the sharp cornering and a more responsive driving experience. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about BONOSS BMW M2 spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.